Hit it already, still working, I'm still learning, I'm still searching, finally earning something, finally get caught in it. I'll be popping off and hit your ass, dropping all your shit. Yeah, I promise this, I got promises, you ain't stopping this, cross my shit, you'll be nothing conscious, bitch. That's the consequence, I got this, will not quit, man, I'm on it, honest. I'll launch quick, then I'm gone, it's just a matter of time before I'm over the line and moving under my prime. Just quit my 9 to 5, I'm rocking, they watching, cause it's shocking, dropping all these top 10s, I'm so stopping. It's time to live my life, it's time to live my die. Wish I could slow down time and just enjoy the vibe.